Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a fried egg, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a circle. Slowly. Now, following with me, draw a shape like this. Slowly. And connect the line. Now we will draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw the details. A curve here and here too. Three lines inside. And the mouth. Now we have a fried egg. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.